Hi, my name is Pedro Alvares. In this video I will demonstrate the gameplay of Pong Remake after making the adjustments asked on lecture 0. This is about the CS50 course, Introduction to Game Development, and this is the lecture 0. So the objective was to make one of the pedals play independently as an AI player. So I've made it so you have three options. You can play as the left player or the left pedal. You can play as the right player, or you can play with a friend on the same keyboard. One using S and W to move, and the other one using up and down keys to move. So let's play. I'm using space to select the game type. And this time I will play as the right pedal. So the left pedal will be AI controlled. Let's begin. Each time the ball is hit, it increases velocity. It was already a feature in the game, not developed by me. As you can see, the left pedal is moving by itself, and I'm controlling the right one, up and down, as you see. Okay, I made one point. So that's it. Bye.